Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You use the AND condition to specify that a record must meet multiple criteria at the same time to be included in the filtered data. To create multiple criteria and join them with the AND condition, just write both the criteria in the same criteria row. So for example, if you had two fields by which you wanted to filter, city and amount, you could put the city by which you'd like to filter, let's say it's Lansing, and you could also put in the amount, let's say greater than 25,000. Make sure they're both in the same row, and it will join them using the AND condition. So applying this particular criteria would filter the records within the list where the record showed the city as being Lansing and the amount of the sale being greater than 25,000. You use the OR condition to specify that a record can meet one or more criteria to be included in the filtered record set. Now to specify an OR condition, you write your first criteria in one of the criteria rows available, using multiple criteria in the same row for AND conditions if needed, and then you place the criteria that you want to look for using an OR condition in another row right below it. To interpret the criteria as being an either-or condition, you must place the criteria in separate rows. So using the extension of the example we were working on, let's say we also wanted to find people who were in Boston who sold greater than 25,000 for the amount. So in the next available cell under city, I could type in Boston. And once again for the amount, I have to repeat greater than 25,000. So what I'm looking for is any records where the city is Lansing and the amount is greater than 25,000, or the city is Boston and the amount is greater than 25,000. It can sometimes be confusing to think of the AND and OR conditions and to be able to pick which one you need. Just remember that if you use the AND condition, a record must meet all of the criteria joined by the AND condition simultaneously to be included. If you use the OR condition, a record can meet any one of the criteria joined to be included. And once again, once you had created your criteria range, to filter it, just click anywhere into the list by which you'd like to filter, select Data, Filter, and Advanced Filter, click the Criteria Range Collapse Dialog Box button, and then click and drag over the entire criteria range. If you add OR conditions, make sure you encompass all of the necessary conditions. Click the Expand Dialog Box button again to expand the dialog box back to its normal size, and then just click OK. And you can see the list being filtered using the specified criteria.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.